Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting only the footage you need and importing it into iMovie. This speeds every edit. Once imported, create a new movie project and set your aspect ratio so clips won't be stretched. You should skim each clip and use the skimmer to mark and slash out points, trimming out dead space before placing items on the timeline. Make sure to arrange a rough story order now. This reduces later reshuffling and keeps edits focused on pacing and continuity. Now focus on refining your timeline. Split clips where action changes and delete gaps for tight pacing. Once done, insert transitions sparingly. Use cross-dissolve between soft scenes and straight cuts for energetic flow. Next, balance audio. Reduce background noise, normalize levels, and duck music under voice so dialogue stays clear. You'll also apply color correction or auto-enhance to match shots. This creates visual consistency. Finally, label clips and lock tracks you don't want to shift. That prevents accidental. To finish, export with the right settings for your destination. Choose resolution, quality, and compression in Share File and name the file clearly. Once exported, play the file on the device or platform you intend to use to confirm audio sync and visuals. If you see stuttering or color shifts, re-export with a higher bitrate or match the project frame rate to the source. A key troubleshooting tip: if audio drifts, try rendering a new file with constant frame rate or re-importing problem clips before exporting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.